Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to service a Kia Rio. Start by preparing a safe workspace with a jack, stands, wheel chocks, and clean rags before you begin. I'll guide you through oil changes, filter swaps, fluid checks, and basic inspections using common tools. Follow step by step, pause when needed, and prioritize safety to avoid damage or personal injury during each task. Changing oil and checking fluids are quick wins for reliability on your Kia Rio, and I'll explain each step clearly so you can follow. Prepare the correct oil grade, a drain pan, and a new filter, then replace and torque the drain plug properly. We'll also cover checking coolant, brake, and transmission levels, plus tips on fluid disposal and basic troubleshooting to keep your car running smoothly. Brakes and tires are vital for safe driving, so I'll walk you through inspecting pads, rotors, calipers, and tire condition in simple steps. Learn how to measure tread depth, spot uneven wear, and rotate tires for even life, plus where to find torque specs for lug nuts. I'll also show basic brake fluid checks and advise when to seek professional help for calipers or ABS concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.